Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test on this Poco X3 device after using more than 100 days. During this long time of usage, the charging time will actually increase a couple of minutes. So right now I decided to do after using for more than 100 days, friends. As friends, it's been close to 100 days and I did upload so many videos on this Poco X3 mobile phone alone. So you can see more than 250 videos which are uploaded, 254 videos. And let's see, friends, in this video whether the Poco X3 will be taking more time than before or not. I think before it took about 70 minutes of time to complete charge the device. So let's see in this test whether how much time it actually takes. And during this time I did have this kind of small chart which I have recorded here. So I'll try to write down the battery percentage for 30 minutes and temperature, and even the for 60 minutes and full charge as well. I'll try to calculate how will the temperature also maintains during this time of charging the Poco X3 device. And very soon I'll be coming up the video like after using for 100 days, so stay tuned for that video as well. In case if you if you're thinking of buying this device, you should know a lot of things about this device. So my channel has a lot of users who already bought the Poco X3 phone and they really like the device. And let's get started, friends. Let me try to open the stopwatch here, and in case if you want to download that live wallpaper, there's a links available in the description below. So let me try to charge the phone. So this is the charging test which I'm doing when the phone is in on mode. So usually I'll do in the off mode, but I decided to do in the on mode only. So let me try to connect the charger and start the stopwatch to show you that I'm using exact charger. So let me try to show you the lock screen. What is the animation you'll be getting here? As you can see, friends, the animation right now you're getting about MI turbo charge. So that means I'm using the 33 watt fast charger itself right now. So right now I'll try to continue this test. Let's see, friends, how much more time it takes in this Poco X3 device even after this long time of usage of 100 days. And in the initial time the temperature was around, I think, 31 degrees. You can see here clearly 31 degrees. It's not too much hot as well. It's 31 degrees. Let's see after 30 minutes how much the temperature will increase in this Poco X3 device. As you can clearly see here, friends, the time is about close to 30 minutes exactly. So let me try to quickly show you the battery percentage how much it is. So right now it is of exactly 54 percentage, as you can see here, friends, clearly. So for the first 30 minutes the battery draw increased it to the 54 percentage. And now let me try to check the temperature readings. So 38 degrees, as you can see here, 38. So let me try to write down the readings. So at the beginning of the phone, the battery charged to the 66 percentage, friends, in the first 30 minutes. If you observe in this video, so this is a video which I uploaded, I think, 3 months back. So once I got the mobile hands on with this phone, so at the time it was about 66 percentage did get charged, as you can clearly see. So right now it did take a little bit kind of more time than expected. Because after using for 100 days, I think the battery a little bit takes long time to charge nowadays. So let's see, friends, what will be the result after 60 minutes of charging this phone continuously. We'll get to the conclusion in 1 hour how much the phone got charged during this time. As you can see here, friends, it's been exactly 1 hour and 17 minutes and still the phone did not get charged to 100%. So right now it's at 99%. So overall it does take a little bit kind of longer time than expected after the 100 days of using this device, as you can see, friends. So this there can be a different factors as well, like even the software updates which the Poco X3 got must have also affected the charging speed rate as well to keep the temperatures very low. So maybe there must be some other different reason why the time taking a little bit kind of longer time in the phone to charge. So for the 60 minutes the phone charged to 90%, and it's taking for the last 10% of the battery to get fill. Close to 20 minutes it's taking to completely fill the phone, and even till now the phone is kind of heat. So let me try to check the temperatures right now. 37 degrees, as you can see. The temperature is started to cool down a little bit, but it's not cooling down below 35 degrees. So let's see, friends, how long will the last 100% take. So finally here is the score. So it took about as you can see, it's close to 1 hour and 19 minutes of time to completely charge this Poco X3 device, friends. Overall this is time taken in this phone. So overall the time was 79 minutes if you write into the round figure. of timing. 79 minutes it took to complete charge the Poco X3 device after using the 100 days with this device. And thank you friends for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts, and did you face any charging slowdown or not. So make sure to comment below how is your experience using this Poco X3 device. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.